One of the readers has sent in an inquiry asking for information as to of all the three Vidyas, which is superior. The three Vidyas is mentioned are Atma Vidya, Mahavidya, and Sri Vidya. Atma Vidya is that knowledge which talks about reality and which enlightens you about the reality which lies behind the world of names and forms. It is that reality which, depending on one's perception, pervades the entire universe, or we perceive it as appearing as meaning. Some of the methods used to understand the reality are Mantra Sastra, Tantra Sastra, and Yantra Sastra. Mantra Sastra is through mantra, mystically locked sounds. Yantra Sastra is enabling the mind to dwell upon geometrical shapes to raise one's level of consciousness to understand the reality. Tantra Shastra is a combination of both Mantra Shastra and Tantra Shastra in the sense that it has mantras and yantras, geometrical shapes. And in Tantra, not only these two, the personification as Saguna Aradhana, that is, worship of gods and goddesses with names and forms, is also embedded. This is Tantra Shastra. Now, in Atma Vidya, you try to understand the reality. So that is the goal. The sadhanas are, that is the steps one has to take are from mantra, yantra, and tantra. This is one. Another level perspective is trying to understand the reality through the Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, and Raja Yoga. So how to understand the Atman, the reality which is beyond senses and mind. So that knowledge is called Atma Vidya. To understand that Atma Vidya, that is knowledge, we use, as I said, the different methodologies. That is worship of gods and goddesses with names and forms, under which comes Dasa Mahavidya. So this is mentioned in the Todala Tantra, which is a very rare Tantra, which describes about the different types of worships one has to undergo in trying to understand reality through Tantra Shastra. Right? So, this is Dasa Vidyas. These Dasa Vidyas are also called Dasa Mahavidyas. As I said, this Todala Yantra lists the following deities. Kali, Tara, Mahatripura Sundari, Bhuvaneswari, Chinmasta, Bhairavi, Dhumavati, Bagalamukhi, Matanki, and Kamala. So, each deity has certain attributes, and procedures of worship is also detailed. You can follow them. This is Dasamala. This is a tool for realizing the Atma Vidya, like mantra. And the third one is the Lalita Sahasranama, the worship of Maha Tripura Sundari, who is living in Chintamani Graha. The Lalita Sahasranama worships the reality as Maha Tripura Sundari, even though she is listed as one among the Dasamaha Vidyas. She is supreme in the sense that Lalita Sahasranama contains mantra and yantra in the form of a Sri Yantra and also as Meru. So, mantra is taken care of, yantra is taken care of. How is tantra? The tantra sadhana is an aspect which is embedded in Lalita Sahasranama. How the principle is expressed, where the physical activity need not be done. There are physical activities can also be done as a part of Raja Yoga when combined with Tantra Shastra. How? Because the reality is expressed in Lalita Sahasranama in different sections. The first one is you find as a part of worship for God with names and forms. Saguna Aradhana is mentioned. Is Saguna Aradhana and in Lalita Sahasranama, that is the avatar of Devi, then Bandasuravata, then you have Saguna Aradhana, then Nirguna Aradhana, then you have Aikyanusandhanam, where the reality which appears to be two or non-two, that is Advaita, Shiva and Shakti, Aikyanusandhanam is also mentioned. Therefore, to gain Atma Vidya, one uses in this context two tools. One is Dasamaha Vidyas, of which Lalita Tripura Sundari worship is a part, and Sri Vidya. So the Sri Vidya Upasana is inclusive of Dasamaha Vidya in the quest of self-realization or Atma Vidya. Therefore, Sri Vidya Upasana includes Dasamaha Vidya for realization of Brahman. At a higher level, in Sri Vidya Upasana itself is reality and one need not go for anywhere else for self-realization. And let me quote from Lalita Sahasranama itself. Atma Vidya, Mahavidya, Sri Vidya, Kamasevita, Sri Shodashakshari Vidya, Trikuta, Kamakotika. In the coming videos, I shall discuss about the Shodasi and also the 51 Aksharas of Devi and how Saundari Lahari contains some of the Bija Mandaras of Devi.